Comes out of the box pretty much like you'd expect it to. It's all very nice, very neat, very clean. Other things, looking at it quickly, I can see they have at least 2 types of brushes down there, actually 3, and some are very long and silk-like, and I think those are for getting good fine hairs off the hard floors. It's got the cord rewind right there, 5 positions for the head height, and yeah, triple action brush, that's what it says. The other normal looking stuff like a pet eraser tool, which is actually wonderful. A couple Febreze type filters, and that helps keep them smelling good. And then your familiar upholstery type tool, and then this weird 3-in-1 stair tool where you twist the head to get a different kind of a shaped bristle and hole that will help you get in all the nooks and crannies. So you can get like the edge of the rung of the stairs, you can reach into the corner and do the flat surface with that. So that's pretty well thought out. Hopefully this is the normal BISSELL 1 or 2 screw assembly, and it looks like it. Here's the handle, and I see taped to the handle are, looks like 2 screws, which makes sense to there. I'm sure just fit this handle in, go get a Phillips and put it together. We'll do that quick time as well. There's a suction indicator too, which is this, it looks blue almost, but to me in real life it looks green, and I imagine that turns red as the suction diminishes. Here we go, got it on medium level, and red button. Handle release. Wow. Yeah, I've never used a swivel before, so it felt like I was losing control, but I can see how it'd be very neat.